Hello everyone, my name is Alden P. Madrid from Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College, Philippines. And today I'm excited to present two creative works I made, highlighting some of Indonesia's unique culture during the holy month of Ramadan. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the Dugderan Festival. So the Dugderan Festival is a traditional cultural event held in Semarang, Central Java. This festival is a vibrant celebration that marks the beginning of the fasting month, combining Islamic practices with Javanese traditions. One of the most iconic symbols of the festival is the Warak Ngendong, a mythical creature with the head of a dragon, the body of a burak, an Islamic creature, and the legs of a goat. It represents the harmony between Chinese, Arab, and Javanese culture and Semarang. What happens during the festival? It starts with a lively parade where the Warak Ngendong is displayed along with traditional music and performances. A local market pops up, creating a festive atmosphere filled with food, crafts, and community activities. The name Dugderan comes from the sound of the drums, Dug, and the cannon fire, Der, used to signal the start of Ramadan. So the mayor of Semarang usually makes an official announcement declaring the start of the fasting month. So it's a powerful blend of faith, culture, and community. Next, let's look at something delicious, a special food from Papua that's often enjoyed during Ramadan, the papeda with kuwan kuning. So, papeda is a sticky glue-like porridge made from sago. It doesn't have flavor on its own, but its texture is unique. So, you don't chew it, you slurp it. It is usually eaten with kuwan kuning, a savory yellow fish soup with turmeric, garlic, onion, ginger, lemongrass, and citrus leaves. So, the fish is often tuna, snapper, or mackerel. So, the soup has a warm, fragrant, and slightly tangy taste, which balances perfectly with the soft papeda. This food has cultural value. In Papua and Maluku, papeda is more than just food. It's a symbol of togetherness. Families and communities gather around one large bowl to eat, especially during iftar, the evening meal that breaks the fast. And that's my short presentation about Dugderan Festival and traditional food, papeda with kuwa kuning, just two amazing examples of how Indonesia celebrates Ramadan in such rich and diverse ways. Before I end, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the organizers of this wonderful webinar, especially to Dr. Wayu and the entire team. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to share and celebrate culture through creativity. Terima kasih.